Prince Chaudhary reporting for Pune Times Mirror. Live and exclusive on the Wadia College Road. This is a JST office on the right, Wadia College on the left. So as you can see behind, there is a massive drinking water leak.
कळतं का यांना पाईपलाईन फोडून टाकली यांनी सगळ्यांनी कॉर्पोरेशन आम्हाला पहिला पाणी नाही आमचे वाद चालले
आंघोळीला पाणी नाही इथं आम्हाला आंघोळीला पाणी नाही इथं असे पाणी वेस्ट केलं कसं होणार
नागडा कारभार चालू आहे सगळा इथं बघा सगळं मातीची
Thousands upon thousands of liters of a very precious commodity is just pouring out of the ground, probably due to a cracked pipe. There is here construction work, but the workers over here have said that this leakage has started before the work started. Now that is conjecture. The big question is this the result of this digging work which is going on here? Is this the result of the work which is being carried on, or is it a leak due to a cracked pipe? Walking down the slope of the road, okay, and this is where the actual leak is. You can see the water is absolutely crystal clear. There is no filth, there is no dirt. This is not drainage water. This is drinking water.
ड्रिंकिंग वाटर
Probably a pipeline is damaged. So damaged pipeline के वजह से हजारों लीटर drinking water यहाँ leak हो रहा है. It is just flowing down the road, spilling out from that point over there. As you can see, clear water, drinking water, no smell in it. तो हजारों लीटर का पानी का वेस्ट हो रहा है. This person here even smelled the water. कुछ आपको कुछ बास वगैरह आ रहा है क्या पानी?
नहीं सर एकदम साफ पानी
पीने का पानी.
पीने का पानी
और आप यहाँ मतलब काम करते हैं या
नहीं ये इनका शॉप है मेरे दोस्त का उसके पास आया हूँ.
Okay. So this person who's come here, his friend has a shop right here. So he told us he's tested the water. It's absolutely clean, clear, non-smelling water. Here you can see the water is a little mucky. That is because it is gathered. It's going over the mud and debris. But otherwise the water is absolutely clear. So this is a regular feature. आप कुछ बोलेंगे? बोलो ना पानी के बारे में.
गरिबांना पाणी नाही
हा बरोबर आहे. 1000, 2000, 3 लिटर पाणी व्हायला गेलं इकडे पुला आपलं चौकापर्यंत. कळतं का यांना पाईपलाईन फोडून टाकली यांनी सगळ्यांनी कॉर्पोरेशन आम्हाला पहिला पाणी नाही आमचे वाद चालले आणि काय चाललंय इकडे नकली झाले असं घरा काहीतरी
आंघोळीला पाणी नाही इथं आम्हाला आंघोळीला पाणी नाही इथं असे पाणी वेस्ट केलं कसं होणार माणसाचं.
नागडा कारभार चालू आहे सगळा पीएमसीचा नागडा कारभार चालू आहे सगळा इथं बघा सगळं मातीची
हे पीएमसी वालीच केलंय सर पीएमसी वालीच काम आहे सर हो सगळं
कारवाई झालीच पाहिजे, कारवाई.
झालीच पाहिजे
आप लोग इधर ही रहते हो क्या?
हाँ, इधर रहते हो.
ओके. सो लोकल रेसिडेंट्स आर सेइंग दैट ये पीएमसी का ही काम है, क्योंकि डिगिंग के टाइम शायद ये पाइप डैमेज हो गया है और हजारों लीटर वाटर यहाँ वेस्ट हो रहा है. एंड दिस इज जस्ट फ्लोइंग डाउन, गोइंग राइट डाउन फॉर अबाउट few hundred meters. Lots and lots of drinking water, precious commodity, scarce commodity is just getting wasted. There have been water cuts in the past by the PMC, and you can see how this is a colossal waste of a very, very precious commodity. This is why water tanker mafias rule this city, giving us substandard water from bore wells and other places. See till where this water is flowing. It's going right down. We are walking down now. You can see there, literally thousands and thousands of liters. And the digging work is carrying on. These local residents just told us that they don't have water to drink, there is no water to bathe, and here you see drinking water just flowing out of that cracked pipe. This was not there yesterday or day before. After this work has started by the PMC, some kind of a garbage cleaning, or they are excavating that thing. This water is now CGST zonal complex, which is right here, Pune and Goa, right behind. The water is now getting into the customs office, GST office. So I'm standing at the customs and CGST zonal complex, Pune, Goa. You can see the water is coming right from there for a few hundred meters and getting right into this office. Lots of wastage, colossal wastage. This is a regular feature all over the city from time to time. But this time, this is a real massive outflow of water from a cracked pipe by the work being carried out by the JCP machines. What exactly the work is, we don't know. Some kind of an excavation work. and the pipe seems to have been damaged badly. So, so what needs to do is to come immediately, stop this, repair that damaged pipe, and stop this flow of thousands and thousands of very precious commodity. People are very aggravated and aggrieved with this colossal waste. Prince Chaudhary signing off for Pune Times Mirror, right next to the Customs and CGST office and Wadia College, with camera person Swapnil.